Hi everyone, I am down on the Las Vegas Strip today. I am at the Fashion Show Mall, which is kind of towards the north end of the strip. It's a shopping center and it has some really cool features. I'm going to just take you on a walk through of Fashion Show Mall down on the Las Vegas Strip. So this is where they actually do the fashion shows, and it's kind of neat because they have different stores can join into the show. All right, so let's walk and see. We have a Raider store here at Fashion Show Mall to support our new NFL team. off the food court, and they have a walkway out here. Right now they have some tables that are set up, but you can see the amazing view that you get of the Las Vegas Strip in some of the different areas. There's the gazebo for Sugar Factory. So the food court is all on its own. It's its own little mini level. So we're gonna go inside. So here's the food court. And like I said, it's all on its own level. So it's kind of neat to just come up here. So in addition to shopping, the Fashion Show Mall also has some great dining options. It has the Capitol Grill, and then underneath it is Maggiano's, which is a chain. And then we get the strip. We also have a Brazilian steakhouse. So in addition to having your quick Panda Express and type things inside of the food court, you can also do nicer dining. So we just came back in from outside from the food court, and we're now back on the second level. It's actually gotten a lot busier since we've gotten here. There's a Sprinkles cupcake dispenser. There's a cupcake dispenser. Super easy to get lost in here. So if you are driving to the Fashion Show Mall, just pay attention to what color parking you are in, and that'll really help you know where to go. So we are in red parking, and we're just getting ready to head down to the car. So thanks for joining me today at Fashion Show Mall. We are in the underground parking, just getting ready to go out to our car. I hope you enjoyed getting to see some of the stores that they have here. Like I said, they have everything from the high-end stores all the way to your typical mall stores. So if you're ever in the Vegas area and on the Strip, come check out the Fashion Show Mall.